Hey, I want to document this journey as much as I can and post about it. So I'm doubling and tripling and quadrupling down on my music. Um, and let me show you what I'm working on. Ow, damn it. This is my, I just stubbed my toe, like three of the toes. Um, this is the Garden of Eden I'm trying to build in my studio. So this is my full transparency kids playroom that I am converting into a um, studio, or at least for temporary recording, and then I'll give it back to them. But okay, that's just a TV. There's plants I'm going to try to bring in for some kind of aesthetic. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I have a lot of gender wars. That's my name. I've got some notes here, and I've got a ton of equipment. Actually, I always feel the need to buy more stuff and like buy higher quality gear. But the reality is that I've got hard drives, and I've got this brand new. What am I doing? M Audio. Um, recording device, digital audio interface, or whatever they're called. I've got, what do I got here? I got a harmonica, like a headband thing. I've got mic clips. I've got a harmonica that's in key of B, which doesn't really help a lot, but it's fun. I've got all kinds of cables, a slide for the guitar. I've got a recorder suite from like fourth grade, but that's not actually my fourth grade one. And then I've got like, this like pop filter, and I've got a lot of equipment. I've got this microphone. So I'm going to convert this section into some kind of recording space. And then I've got my dream board there. And I will keep you posted on how it goes.